Guys, what's up? My name is King and I'm here to demonstrate you how to make crossover and straight through cable.
Peel the cover of the wire using the crimping tool.
Remove the cover of the wire and separate the colored wire from each other. And follow the crossover pattern. Put the crossover colored pattern inside of the RJ45. And lock the RJ45 using the crimping tool. To make a straight through Ethernet cable, just follow the step by step by removing the cover of the wire and inserting the colored wire, and this is the straight through pattern guide.